What's up everyone, it's Dave Gordon from Both Lighting USA, and today we're going to talk about how to use DMX with your IR-4 uplight. So right now what we've got in front of us on the right side, of course, is the IR-4. We're about to turn it on and get up close with it. Left of that we have our DMX Transmit Pro. So of course if you're using DMX and you're using an IR-4, you need a wireless DMX transmitter. This is the Transmit Pro that we sell, but we also work with the Donner and the Chinley wireless DMX. So any fixture that you have from us that has wireless DMX built in, like the Both Lighting USA IR-4, it will work with the Transmit Pro or with the Donner systems. So we've got the Transmit Pro. I've got Sound Switch on the computer here, and instead of having the Control 1 connected right now, I just have the DMX interface cable that they sell. So it goes USB out of the laptop right into the transmitter. So let's get up close with the IR-4 and set the 3 settings that you need to use DMX. Let's turn it on first. And this is what you're gonna see when you basically just purchase the IR-4. It's gonna start on DMX address 001, and it's gonna be set to the red wireless DMX channel, as you can see the red LED there. Now, by the way, if you guys see that it's flashing here, that's just the camera. It's not flashing in real life. First thing we wanna do is set our DMX channel, which is determined by the software. So I know that our Sound Switch Diamond file uses channels 6 and 16 for the Uplights alternating. So I'm gonna go and get this to channel 6. This is our up button, down, and enter. Then we're gonna hit menu once again, and this is gonna get you to your CH, your channel mode. There's 2 options on the IR-4, either 6-channel mode or 10-channel mode. Again, it's determined by what you have set in your software, and I know that in our Diamond file, we use 10-channel mode. So we've got the DMX address set, that was step 1. We've got the channel mode set, that was step 2. And step 3 is our wireless DMX channel. We got to go through all these colors and manual settings here until you get to a screen that essentially just has a number there. This is that number that corresponds to the number on your Transmit Pro. So let's take a look real quick at the Transmit Pro. Let me turn it on here. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me move the camera up just a little bit here. Here you go, you can see the Transmit Pro. The first thing we always want to do is set our power level to 3, so PA can be set to 3. And then your ID is set 1 through 7. So in my DJ business, I like to use ID 2. So let's keep it on ID 2, and you're gonna be able to set it on 2 over on the IR-4 as well, but I'm gonna put the chart right up here in the top right of the screen that tells you the ID and the color it corresponds to. Some DMX receivers or transmitters use colors instead of numbers, so that chart right there will help you if you need. But ID 2 is set over here. Let's go back over to our IR-4 and let's set that to 2, and always press Enter to set your settings. Once you press Enter, you'll be able to go right back into, oh, I just skipped it. You're going to be able to go right back into your channel right here on your DMX channel 006. And we should be good to go. You see how it just turned blue? It turned blue because I have the blue static scene on. Static blue. If I do static red, we've got static red. Static green, we've got static green. And I also want you to note that the antenna right here is actually flashing. I know the screen looks like it's flashing, but the antenna indicator is flashing, and that means that your signal is established, your signal is connected to the IR-4, to the transmitter. So to recap, folks, 3 settings to set on your IR-4 to get it into DMX mode. First off, your address, your DMX address. Second off, your DMX channel mode. And third, flip through the menu a little bit until you get to your wireless ID right there. After you set your wireless ID, head back into your DMX address setter, and this is what puts the light into DMX mode. And there you go. Thanks for watching.